Ever feel overwhelmed by the constant barrage of calls, emails, and letters from real estate agents and investors? If so, it's time to reclaim your peace of mind and your financial future. Welcome to the world of do-it-yourself lease purchase or lease option for homeowners. A.D. Barnes Investment Management's Why DIY Lease Purchase Option for Homeowners. Introduction. Ebook is a free, detailed guide that explains how homeowners can navigate the real estate market independently without the need for agents or investors. This method allows homeowners to retain a significant portion of their equity and income, which can often be as high as 3% to 4%, as of July of 2024 after the NAR settlement. The seller's commission paid at this time is 6% to 7%, but as of July 2024, that will change to the 3% to 4%. But also, don't forget to add all the other closing fees and costs that happens at closing, plus the capital gains tax. You could be saving all of those fees, while also adding a hefty bit of down payment and monthly income for you, the homeowner, before the sale. Intrigued? A.D. Barnes is excited to announce the upcoming release of a comprehensive online course that will provide detailed instructions on how to lease purchase or lease option your home. The course, which will be initially released in beta at the beginning of June 2024 or sooner, is designed to help homeowners across 50 states take control of their property transaction. This course will not only help you save a significant portion of your equity and income, but also guide you on how to leverage your property to make added income upfront, monthly, and of course when you sell outright. Imagine having your monthly mortgage paid while also receiving nice extra income after the mortgage is paid and have most of the maintenance and repairs paid for and not by you. Plus, you'll save substantially at closing by not having to pay 3 to 4% in agent commissions and all the rest at closing, because you lease purchased or lease optioned your property yourself. You get the lion's share of your equity and your income. Imagine having your monthly mortgage paid while also receiving nice extra income after the mortgage is paid and have most of the maintenance and repairs paid for, and not by you. Plus, you'll save substantially at closing by not having to pay 3 to 4% in agent commissions and all the rest at closing, because you lease purchased or lease optioned your property yourself. You get the lion's share of your equity and your income. A.D. Barnes is dedicated to helping homeowners avoid large real estate agent commissions and other large fees. We believe that homeowners who have put in their blood, sweat, and tears, owning and paying for their home, should reap the lion's share of their investment. The time has come to take control of your property transactions, save your hard-earned equity, and keep the income profits where they belong, in your pocket. A side note, if you may not be interested in lease purchase option now, we can still save some of your equity. You have an option to work with our experienced, professional, and knowledgeable real estate agents, realtors, where you get all the experience, and our agents' commissions are always only 1.5% to 2.5% depending on house price, never higher. We also offer partnerships with homeowners where we can assist you with the process and also management if interested. But however we assist in the partnership, please know you, the homeowner, would still receive the lion's share of your equity and income. We teach you how to DIY yourself, but we can also be there to assist via email only or as a partner. All up to you, the homeowner, but A.D. Barnes is a one-stop shop for all your seller needs. Our course provides a detailed comparison of the advantages and disadvantages of working with agents and/or investors versus doing it yourself or doing it yourself with assistance, and how much you will save of your income and equity. That is just a fact. The opportunity to pre-order this invaluable course at a discounted price while in beta is coming available. Remember, knowledge is power as long as you use it. And with our course, you'll have the knowledge and the power to change your financial future. For more info, please go to adbarnesllc.com. Step into the world of DIY lease purchase lease option today.